guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing good, and if you guys are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, you know that nowadays a tying hairband is becoming very trending and it will look very alluring in different kind of hairstyle and different outfit. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make DIY hairbands at home, and I'm gonna review all this. 1, 2, and this is third one. And this is fourth one, and I will show you how to make this particular first one, and I'm gonna show with different hairstyles. Then why to wait? Without any further delay, let's get started. Guys, let me start with this first hairband. I have tied this bun. And what I'm gonna do is, I take this band vertically downward direction like this, and I'm gonna tie this, and you can see the width should be more over here, such that the look will be different. Guys, you can tie it however you want. It looks classy with any tie. You can see. This is how it looks, and it's done. Now let me know how I made this. In my last video, it was just an overview that how I made it. Was a fast review. If you want a deep one, if you want that how I take a measurement, how I made it off, how I cut it off, please comment me in the inbox. I'll make that in next video. Guys, let me review the second one. This is also a waist cloth material which I made it off. You can see. Now I'm gonna tie it off and I show it. I'll take this as usual. I'll make this vertically downward direction. Then I'm gonna tie it off. Yeah, this is how it looks. You can use any kind of waste material in your home. There will be lots of cloth, but the design should be best such that it should be suitable. You can see the cloth material should be good. Guys, ignore if I'm not doing my hairstyle perfect, because I'm not reviewing about my hairstyle. I'm just trying to show you how to tie it off such that I'm not using any kind of comb. And also you can use comb and you can make your hairs perfect. Then you can try it off with this. This third hairstyle, this is how I done. What I done is I just taken a small section over here and I just tied a pony like this. And yeah, if you want any kind of hairstyle, just comment me in the inbox such that I'll make next video about that. Now I'm reviewing about this third band. This is also cloth which is of waste material. What I do, I'll take like all cross section like this. Then I'll take here. It should be exactly off. Then I gonna tie it like this. Then I gonna roll it. Then just tie a knot. However you want, and it's done. This is how it looks. Guys, if you don't want the before hairstyle, you can try it with different one like this. It's a simple hairstyle with a knot. You can try it out with different hairstyle and different hairbands. Guys, this is my fourth hairstyle. I just tied a high ponytail like this, and I'm going to show this. This is also plain, which is made up of waste cloth. What I'm gonna do is just roll it off like this. Just take an equal size. Then tie it off like this. And it's done. This is how it looks. Or if you don't want like this, you can make it of long also. Like, try only this one knot and leave some long. This is how it looks. Now I'm gonna show you some hacks also. If you feel like this one it is very thin and you can't wear perfectly, you can't tie it out perfectly, then I have a solution. What you can do while you are stitching, what you should do is, you should leave a small gap such that I'll use this for my hairband. It is a plastic hairband. What I'm gonna do is, I'll take my plastic hairband, I'm gonna insert this to this with this small gap. Guys, just move a hairband to get two equal sized like this. Now you can see the width is also long enough. You can wear like this, and you can tie here itself. Tie it off like this. Now it's done. This is how it looks. You can try it off. If you feel that it is very thin, you can't make a perfect knot, you can try this it off. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll come with my next content soon. Till then, stay tuned, stay safe, and follow me on my social media. Thank you guys.